Hello learners, welcome to yet another episode of our virtual learning class. Today we'll be looking at mathematics, and under mathematics we'll be doing subtractions. Okay, our objectives for today is to subtract with regrouping from tens to ones. Okay, we are going to learn how to subtract with regrouping from tens to ones. Okay, from tens to ones. Now, in our previous lessons, we learned about what tens and ones, where we have 57, okay, and we have to expand it, and we have tens, and we have what ones, okay, where t is what tens and the o here is what ones, okay. So 57. If we want to expand this, how do we expand it? We know that 57 can be written as what? 50 plus 7. Okay, so 50 is what? It's in its tens form. So you write it here. 50. Okay, 50 plus 7. 57. So you write 7. Okay, good. So today we are going to learn how to subtract with regrouping from tens to ones. Okay, from tens to ones. Okay, quickly let's start with the short forms and let's start with some examples. Now, example 1 says 43 minus 15. 43 minus 15. And I told you that in subtraction you should always subtract from where? The right. Always subtract from the right. Now we have 3 minus 5. Okay, 3 minus 5 is 3 apples. You have 3 apples, and mommy asked you to give them to your friend, but you're supposed to give that friend 5. Okay, how do you get the 5 whilst you have only what? 3 apples. Okay, so you went to your brother who had what? 4. Okay, went to your brother who had 4 and took some from him. Okay, you took some from him. Now we all know that we are subtracting from what? From tens to ones. From where? Tens to ones. Okay, don't forget. So in this case, this 4 here is what? 40. Okay, 43 is 40 plus what? 3. Okay, so in this case, 4 here is now what? 40. So if you want to borrow 1 from here, what are you borrowing? You are borrowing 10. Okay, you are borrowing what? 10. So 10 plus 3 is what? 13. Okay, so this 3 is no more 3. It is now what? 13, because this 4, we borrowed 1 from this 4. Okay, so this 4 is also what? 3. I hope you understand. Good. So 13 minus 5. We are going to subtract 5 from what? The 13. Okay. So let's quickly do that. Let's count together. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And we are supposed to give 5 to a friend. So let's give the 5 to that friend. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many do we have left? We have what? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 more left. So where do you write it? Do you write it here? No, I told you anytime you subtract, write the answer under what you have subtracted. So that means 13 minus 5 is what? 8. Okay, it is what? 8. Now, how many do we have here? We have what? 3. It's no more 4 because we borrowed 1 from the 4 and we added it to the 3 here, which gave us 13. So we are left with what? 3. Okay, we are left with what? 3. Now 3 minus 1 is what? Let's count. 1, 2, 3 minus what? 1. We are taking 1 out, which is left with 1, 2. We are left with this 2. Okay, so where do you write it? You write it under here. So 43 minus 15 is equal to what? 28. Again, we had 43, okay, and we couldn't subtract the 5 from the 3, so we had to borrow. That is why we have this 3, okay. We borrowed 1 from here, when we added it to this 3, which gave us what? 13. And we know that the one we borrowed, because we are borrowing in tens, we added 10 to this 3, and we got what? 13, okay. And then after we subtracted the 5 from the 13, we had what? 8, okay. Now look here, we have 3. Why? Because we borrowed 10 from this place. We borrowed 10. This is 40, and we borrowed 10. So we had what? We are left with 30. So we write our 3 here, subtract our 1, and we have what? 2. Let's quickly look at another example. Now I have 75 minus 28. 75 minus 28. That means you are subtracting 28 out of 75. We are subtracting 28 out of 75. And we said we always subtract from our right side. We subtract from where? The right side. Now quickly, let's start. We have 5. Okay, we have 5 minus what? 8. 5 minus 8. Is that possible? No, it isn't. So what do? We borrow. Where do we borrow from? Are we borrowing from here? No, we are borrowing from the top. We are borrowing from the 7. Okay, so now we have 7. If we borrow 1 from this 7, what have we borrowed? We have borrowed 10. So we add the 10 to what? The 5. So 5 plus 10, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we are adding what? 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's count them together. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we have 15, okay? So we have 15. This is no more 5, it's now 15, okay? Now 15 minus 8. 15 minus what? 8. Now we have 15. We have 15 pencils, and we are taking out 8. Okay, so let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now let's take 8 out. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many pencils do we have left? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7. So where do we write our 7? We write it under the 5 and the 8. Now, we have 7 and we borrowed 1 here. So what is left? We are left with 6. 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2. Let's do it together. We have 6. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We are taking 2 out, which is 1, 2. How many are we left with? We are left with 1, 2, 3, 4. We are left with what? 4. Okay, we are left with 4. Good. Why? How come we got this? How did we get 15? We borrowed 1 from the 7. We added it to what? 5. Which gave us 15. We have 6 here because we borrowed 1 from 7, and we all know that 7 minus 1 is what? 6. Okay. Let's take another example. We have 34. 34 minus 17. 34 minus 17. We are taking 17 from 34. We are taking what? 17 from 34. Let's start. We have 4. Okay, we have 4. And can we take 7 from 4? No, it is not possible. So what we do is we borrow 1 from the 3 and we add it to the 4. Let's do it together. We have, and we all know that 3 here is what? 30 because of the t. The t is tens and this is ones. Okay, so 30. Okay, so you are borrowing from this 30, which makes it, let's borrow. So if you borrow the 10, you have what? 10 plus 4, okay, which is equal to what? If we add this and this, 4 plus 0, we know it is 4. We have nothing here, so 1. Okay, 14. 14 minus 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And we are taking 7 out, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many are we left with? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we write our 7 here. Okay. Now we are left with what? 20. Because we borrowed 1 here, we are left with what? 20. So this is no more. This is no more. This is now 14. And here we have 2. 2 minus 1. Okay. 2 minus 1 is equal to what? 1. Okay. Is what? 1. Okay. So I'll end here. And in our next class, we will learn how to expand. Be good children, stay safe, love you all. Bye.